नमस्कार। सामाजिक न्याय और अधिकारिता मंत्रालय की ओर से आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिवादन। आज 3 दिसंबर अंतर्राष्ट्रीय विकलांग दिवस के अवसर पर विकलांगजन सशक्तिकरण हेतु राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार समारोह 2013 में हमारे बीच पधारे हैं माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्री प्रणब मुखर्जी, नवीन और नवीकरणीय ऊर्जा मंत्री माननीय श्री फारूक अब्दुल्ला, सामाजिक न्याय और अधिकारिता मंत्री माननीय कुमारी शैलजा, सामाजिक न्याय और अधिकारिता राज्य मंत्री माननीय श्री माणिक राव गावित, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ डिसेबिलिटी अफेयर्स में सचिव श्रीमती स्तुति कक्कड़, सामाजिक न्याय और अधिकारिता मंत्रालय में सचिव श्री सुधीर भार्गव, भारतीय पुनर्वास परिषद के अध्यक्ष मेजर जनरल रिटायर्ड यान कार्डोजो, नेशनल ट्रस्ट की अध्यक्ष श्रीमती पूनम नटराजन और चीफ कमिश्नर फॉर पर्सन्स विद डिसेबिलिटीज श्री पी.के. पिंचा। सर्वश्रेष्ठ कर्मचारी स्वनियोजित श्री संजय हरिहर गांवकर, महाराष्ट्र। सुश्री प्रीति मोंगा, दिल्ली। सुश्री प्रीति मोंगा का पुरस्कार उनके भाई श्री संदीप सिंह ग्रहण करेंगे। सुश्री प्रीति मोंगा, दिल्ली। श्री मारुति बाबाराव घेनेकर, महाराष्ट्र। श्री पुनीत सुभाष भारद्वाज, गुजरात। श्री मनोज डावर, नई दिल्ली। बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड मिसेस रंजिता सिंह, आंध्र प्रदेश। श्री अश्विन कार्तिक एसएन, कर्नाटका। श्रीमती विधिना भाटिया, मध्य प्रदेश। श्री नीरज शर्मा, नई दिल्ली। सर्वश्रेष्ठ नियोक्ता डिजाइन मेड प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, गुजरात। सर्वश्रेष्ठ प्लेसमेंट अधिकारी एजेंसी श्री डी.आर. शर्मा, हरियाणा। श्रीमती अनुभूति एम भट्टाचार्य, नई दिल्ली। बेस्ट इंडिविजुअल डॉक्टर शांता राधाकृष्णा, कर्नाटका। बेस्ट इंडिविजुअल नॉन प्रोफेशनल स्वामी विश्वनाथानंदो, वेस्ट बंगाल। Best Institution Asha Bhavan Center, West Bengal and Vasavi Club International, Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. सर्वोत्तम संस्थान राष्ट्रीय तकनीकी शिक्षक प्रशिक्षण एवं अनुसंधान संस्थान, चंडीगढ़। रोल मॉडल डॉक्टर राजदीप मनवानी, कर्नाटका। रोल मॉडल मिस नूपुर जैन, कर्नाटका। प्रेरणा स्रोत श्री सुरेश रामकृष्ण धोंडगे, महाराष्ट्र। रोल मॉडल श्री दिलीप कुमार भट्टाचार्य, वेस्ट बंगाल। रोल मॉडल मिसेस वुजीनी जानकी, आंध्र प्रदेश। प्रेरणा स्रोत सुश्री वनिता बाला सुब्रमण्यन, महाराष्ट्र। प्रेरणा स्रोत प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर अजीत कुमार गोरखनाथ पाटिल, महाराष्ट्र। प्रेरणा स्रोत डॉक्टर यास्मीन सुल्ताना, नई दिल्ली। प्रेरणा स्रोत सुश्री दर्शिता बाबूभाई शाह, गुजरात। रोल मॉडल मिस रिनी दास, वेस्ट बंगाल। मास्टर ज्योति रंजन साहू, ओडिशा। श्री R.S. हिरेमठ, कर्नाटका। श्री के रमेश एंड श्री पी समैया, सिकंदराबाद, आंध्र प्रदेश। हावड़ा, साउथ पॉइंट, वेस्ट बंगाल एंड आरुषि सोसाइटी, मध्य प्रदेश। Best district in providing rehabilitation services, Cuttack district, Odisha. Best State Channelizing Agency of National Handicap Finance and Development Corporation, Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank Limited, Shillong, Meghalaya. उत्कृष्ट सृजनशील वयस्क विकलांग व्यक्ति, डॉक्टर वेद प्रकाश वर्मा, पंजाब। उत्कृष्ट सृजनशील वयस्क विकलांग व्यक्ति, महिला, सुश्री बबली गंभीर, मध्य प्रदेश। Best Creative Child with Disabilities, Master Tuhinde, West Bengal. उत्कृष्ट सृजनशील विकलांग बालिका, सुश्री ऐशना वशिष्ठ, चंडीगढ़। Best Braille Press, Indian Association for the Blind, Tamil Nadu. सर्वश्रेष्ठ सुलभ वेबसाइट, जनजातीय कार्य मंत्रालय, नई दिल्ली। सर्वश्रेष्ठ सुलभ वेबसाइट, राष्ट्रीय विकलांग वित्त एवं विकास निगम, भारत सरकार। बेस्ट एक्सेसिबल वेबसाइट, विप्रो, कर्नाटका। Best State in Promoting Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, State of Tamil Nadu. Best Sports Persons with Disability, Mr. J. Ranjit Kumar, Tamil Nadu. सर्वश्रेष्ठ विकलांग खिलाड़ी महिला सुश्री सोमा कुंडू, पश्चिम बंगाल.
Today, we honor achievers among differently abled individuals who have overcome enormous odds with their remarkable courage and indomitable spirit. Awards have also been given to the institutions which have made outstanding contribution to the empowerment of persons with disabilities. Their work is noble and exemplary as it seeks the inclusion of differently abled persons into the mainstream of the society. This important day gives us an opportunity to reflect on our collective endeavors to create an inclusive society in which all members, including the differently abled, enjoy equal opportunities and have the right to realize their full developmental potentiality. Persons with disabilities face several barriers as a result of which are unable to have equal access to various services in society, including education, empowerment, healthcare, transportations, and at times justice. However, it is seen when the persons with disabilities are empowered to participate fully in society on an equal basis with others, the nation and society as a whole are benefited. Therefore, the barriers faced by the persons with disabilities, which are detrimental to the societal growth, need to be reversed. With a positive and humane attitude, the society, NGOs, and individuals should extend support and guidance to the differently abled and their families to ensure their socio-psychological and emotional integration into the mainstream of society. Education and awareness can correct negative perceptions. Reasonable opportunities should be provided to persons with disabilities in order to achieve progress and development for all. Distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen, Indian Constitution stipulates the state to ensure equality, freedom, justice, and dignity of all individuals, which implies the inclusive society for all, including the persons with disabilities. We are committed to fully empower the persons with disabilities. Thus, India signed and ratified the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. We need to move forward on this agenda to provide persons with disabilities with an environment conducive for their full development and ensure their equal participation on the development of our nation. India is also engaged in global efforts to seek equal opportunities for the disabled. Recently, in September 2013, the United Nations General Assembly convened a high-level meeting of the nations to highlight the close linkage between development and disability. Since it was felt that the development of a nation is not possible if the needs and capacities of persons with disabilities are not recognized. All nations resolved to seriously consider disability concerns in all the developmental activities. This is a remarkable step taken internationally for improving the quality of lives of persons with disabilities. Ladies and gentlemen, economic empowerment of persons with disabilities is the key to their well-being and can enable them to lead a life of dignity. We have provisions for reservation in employment in establishments in the government sector for persons with disabilities. However, concerted efforts are required to fill in the backlog of the reserved vacancies. The government as well as public and private sectors should work hand in hand to improve the skill levels of the persons with disabilities with a view to enhance their employability. Private sector is also a large employer and can play a commendable role in providing opportunities to differently abled persons to prove their capabilities. The private sector should come forward to meet their social responsibility obligations and take proactive steps to provide placements of persons with disabilities in their establishments and industries. Disability, in a large number of cases, is preventable. Greater awareness and a proactive approach are required. In this regard, preventive measures like early detection and timely intervention can reduce the incidence of disabilities, particularly in children in the age group of 0 to 6. Measures such as immunization at the right stage, disease prevention, improvement of hygiene, better nutrition, better access to health care, maternal and